Hi guys, Crystal Lewis from Black Unicorn Merchandising here. So the other day I did a random search on tech packs in YouTube, and I was actually quite surprised at the variety of tech packs that I saw. I was just really taken aback by how much bad information is out there. So rather than making yet another video on how to make your first tech pack or how to make tech packs for beginners, because that's already out there, that's easy to find, I wanted to record a video to show you how to improve your tech packs and how to be taken seriously by the factories the minute they open your tech pack. Let's go. The first must-have in your tech pack is a clear and professional sketch. Now, this can be done as an either 2D sketch, vector sketch done in an Illustrator or an equivalent program, or a 3D sketch made in a 3D, appropriate 3D software for fashion design. You're going to need to include this high quality professional sketch on the front page of your tech pack, and it needs to accurately capture your garment's design. If you're doing a long line t-shirt, it needs to be a long sketch. If you're doing a crop t-shirt, it needs to be short. These details are very important to making sure that the sampling process is smooth. So you're going to want to ensure that the sketches highlight important details such as stitching, correct seam lines, unique features to provide clarity during production and especially during the sampling phase, which is going to set you up for smooth production. Please do not be fooled by some of these designs that you can make in AI. Yes, they're beautiful, but there's still a lot to be conveyed to the factory. Your stitch lines, your seaming, all of those things are so important to have in your sketch to make sure that you have a professional tech pack. This one is actually new for me. I've just started incorporating this into my tech packs, but a dynamic table of contents. Use a clickable table of contents that links to each tab in your tech pack, making it easy for you and manufacturers to navigate through different sections like the bill of materials, your spec sheet, your grading, and so on. Drop-down menus in your bill of materials page. Create a drop-down list for each of your items in your bill of materials. So if there's anything that you do consistently, whether it's you always use the same button, you always use the same zipper, you always use the same draw cord, those are the kinds of things that you're going to want to just put in a drop-down in your Excel spreadsheet so that you can consistently click those things and move quickly through your tech pack and reduce errors. This next one is definitely not for everyone, but it's something that I insist on, and that is a dedicated fabric page in your tech pack. A lot of designers put their fabric information into the bill of materials, but I've found that it's easier for me if I just separate everything into a fabric page. Then I'm not trying to squeeze a swatch of my fabric and a Pantone and the placement of each fabric in the garment into one tiny piece on my bill of materials. When you set up a separate tab specifically for fabrics, you can include details such as composition, weight, finish, color codes, and so on. You can also include high-quality fabric swatches to really help to drive home the type of fabric you want to use for your project. Include hyperlinks that take your factory directly to your vendors and your fabric mills for your materials. Embed links to suppliers, fabric mills, or other vendors directly in the tech pack, allowing for manufacturers to quickly access sourcing information and verify materials. This is going to reduce your errors. This is going to reduce the amount of questions that you have, and it's just going to make the sampling process so much faster. Lastly, I suggest an auto-calculated revision date field. This way, it's very clear which version of your tech pack is being reviewed by the factory at which time. Oftentimes, we will make changes to our design and we may forget to either update the tech pack or we update the tech pack and forget to share it with the factory. Having that updated revision field that auto-calculates every time you open your tech pack and make a change is going to really help you to make sure that you and the factories are looking at the latest and greatest version of your tech pack. So, you've watched this video and you're thinking, wow, Crystal, those are all great tools, but I don't know Excel like that, or I'm just not gonna do it. Like, who's got the time? Great news. The Tech Pack template is available for the next 48 hours for free in the Black Unicorn store on blackunicornmerch.com. So head over there now and get your free download before I snap it back up again. If you're interested in figuring out how to work with Black Unicorn as a client, head over to Black Unicorn Merch and fill out the questionnaire in the Contact Us section, and someone will be in touch with you to schedule your consultation to start your design journey. If you like this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, take care, guys. Bye.